Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in this series of AI for sales, today we are going to dive into Instantly.ai, which is an AI powered cold email automation tool that helps in terms of scaling outreach, personalizing at scale, and booking more meetings. Now, by the end of this video, you will exactly know how to set up Instantly.ai and leverage its AI features. In our previous videos, we have shared about a lot of cold emailing tools, mass emailing tools. So, how is this different? Now, we all know that before using a cold email tool, we have to prospect. We need to search for ICP leads, load them onto the platform, and then start with the outreach. Well, Instantly.ai automates that entire thing by providing an AI Copilot. Now, as you can see, this is how the platform looks like, wherein we do have the Instantly Copilot. We can search for leads on the super search, similar to the previous tools that we have seen using filters. We have our email accounts that we can add. There is the campaigning section where we can manually set up campaigns. There is a unibox wherein, say, for a single email, if you have multiple email providers like Google, Outlook, you can add those over here. There's the analytics section, a CRM section to ensure that your lead lists and everything is in one place. You can even see your website visitors. You can map your inbox placement to see whether that particular email is spam or not spam. And they have other AI agents as well. Today's objective is to see how Instantly's Copilot works in terms of end-to-end process of setting an email campaign. That is from finding our ideal prospects to creating the campaign. Let's quickly go and find our ideal prospects. So I'll just put in the prompt and we'll see what all things does it require for us to move forward. Now, obviously, it will take certain inputs from us like industries, geography, or so on. So I'll just put in those details. Okay, so I've taken industry as software development. Target job titles would be co-founder, location Bangalore, and company size is 11 to 50. Now, at this stage, what it does is based on this, it generates the lead filters and goes to the super search, figures out what all things that it requires. In case if there are questions like what we can say over here, to ask those questions and we can respond to that. That should the location be limited? Yes. So I'll just answer those questions. And then it will filter based on that. It will take a couple of seconds to here, but as you can see, it has already filtered a list of leads. Now what it's asking me is, would we like to proceed with it? So we have a quick list over here that we can review, and yes, then we can proceed with it. And we can even mention for how many leads would we want to proceed. So let's say for 10 leads, I would want to proceed at this moment. So as you can see, it has started the super search enrichment wherein it is doing for those 10 leads. And next, the list is created. So if I want to see the list, what I can do is that I can simply go to the CRM section. I can click on the list and search for the list over here, right? So I have my 10 leads enriched over here, wherein I don't just have their basic details, but what I'm also getting are their work email IDs that are getting searched across multiple platforms. I'm getting their summary and their headlines as well. So this gives me a much more detailed idea about that particular person. So I'll just go back to my Copilot chat. And over here, then it is asking me that what do you want to create a campaign also for this list? So yes, I would want to create a campaign. So if you see, this is the first part, that is prospecting, that gets done over here. And now we are moving on to the second part, that is a campaign. So I want to create a full campaign. So it will ask me a couple of questions over here wherein, say, I can just mention that the goal is to schedule meetings. And then it will start generating the email sequence. So I'll take a couple of minutes over here to set up the email sequence. Meanwhile, I'll just show you something that Instantly.ai offers more than just creating outreach sequences. So we did see from building the ICP or finding the ICP target audience leads to the email campaigning or other campaign setting. What other things that helps us is in terms of even giving us ideas for improving our sequences. Say if we are continuously running email campaigns, then we want a weekly summary of it. So the Copilot helps with that. It gives us outreach ideas and advices in terms of how to make certain aspects of the email better. What else can we do? How can we bring in more personalization? That is what the AI helps with. So these are a few features that Instantly.ai has brought in terms of streamlining that entire process. Now, as we can see over here, the entire campaign is set wherein we have three mails. There's the initial email with two variants that gives us A/B testing as well. Then there's the follow-up email and then the third follow-up email as well. And the campaign is also created, so we can click on the view campaign and see the entire campaign being set with the leads added to it. So this is how the entire Instantly.ai platform works when we talk about how AI is integrated in it. So if you found this helpful, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos in the series, and we'll be sharing more about these tools, these techniques where AI is used in automating or bringing some level of AI powered intelligence into sales activities. So thank you so much for watching this video.